Now, not many people scan the subcoracoid region. We're going to do that, and I'm going to take you on a sort of step-by-step guide of how to do it. So first of all, this is the medial side of the probe. And look, you can't miss this. This is the coracoid process. If I go laterally, I'm obviously going to have subscap. So I would advise that you look at these tendons and these muscles in transverse first of all. So as we slide distally, what you're going to see is you're going to see the subscapularis. And can you see I'm also pushing in the probe a little bit? You're going to see the short head tendon. You're going to see coracobrachialis. And then over here, you're going to see pec minor. So this is pec minor. This is coracobrachialis. Okay. This is the tendon of the short head, and this is the deltoid. So we can spin on any of them. Now, if you can't remember the order, biceps is first, then coracobrachialis, and then pec. So it does go in the order of the alphabet. So that makes it easy to remember. So we'll go back to the coracoid, and then this here is the short head. So I'm going to spin on that. So if I just get that into the middle and I spin on it, we should get, it's definitely a thinner tendon than the long head. And you can see the short head of biceps running down here. So this is a nice image here of the short head of biceps going onto the coracoid. Look for any irregularity and any thickening. If I then just move a little bit medially, this now will be coracobrachialis. It has less of a tendinous attachment. So we'll just go short head, which you can see here. If I move slightly medially, this is now going to be coracobrachialis. If we then go back to our transverse and we come off the medial aspect of the coracoid and I just fishtail the probe slightly inferiorly, you can then see the pec minor attachment.
Did you find that video useful? If you did, don't worry, we've got loads more videos for you. You can like our videos, you can make a comment, you can subscribe to our channel to get all of our new videos, and you can even join our membership. Good luck scanning.